The animation you're about to see is on electronic archiving and document management system. It will last for about 16 to 20 minutes and will take you through initialization of the application and how to navigate through it down to full demonstration. The eArchive application was developed by Jomik Petrotech Ltd to cater for a wide range of document storage, sorting, sharing, and retrieval. In addition to many other uses of this application, it enables you to convert your hard copy files into electronic formats. So as we can see in this pictorial view, we have on the left hand side archive room filled with technical documents, and on the right hand side we have the solution. So what we are trying to demonstrate here is that by the use of eArchive application, there is a gradual movement from left hand side to the right hand side. There's a gradual movement from the archive room to a system that is deployed on your computer. That's what this demonstration is trying to present to the user. The application is innovative, is versatile in terms of data storage and document management system. It saves time and reduces work stress. It's been driven by a customized and dynamic menu. Documents can be multiplied in various departments, and of course you don't need so much technical know-how to handle this application. Lower level staffs can gather, store, retrieve, and share documents. You gain so much time and cost in handling this application. It's cheaper when compared to other competitive tools. Now at this point in time, I want to demonstrate the application proper. This is a land-based application, so you can access the tool using your web browser. I'll be using Mozilla Firefox. When you launch the web browser, you type in the application name in the web browser, and the application pops up. So it gives you opportunity for you to log in. Click on the login. I'll be logging in as an administrator, admin. I will enter my password. Password is already registered in the system. So when that is done, of course it takes a little time for the synchronization to be completed. When that is done, the application is ready for you to use. Now we go straight to eArchive menu. We want to bring in a document that we've already treated. When you have your hard copy material, you need to convert it to soft copy through scanning and save it in any part of your computer. You can save it on your desktop. So when you have saved it on your desktop, you are now ready to bring in this material into the application proper. So we go to eArchive and say upload new archive. We locate the destination of that file. Of course I have some sample documents on my desktop, so if I go to sample a document like this and I say open, I say upload, application immediately uploads the file. So I can go to where I've uploaded that file. Every file that's uploaded is resident at a temporary place in this application. So if we go to allocate file, we'll see where this file is temporarily kept, waiting for the user or the administrator to allocate the file to the respective department. So I have this file here that I've already uploaded as a file, so I can now take it to a department of my choice. Now because this application is running for so many users, for the sake of this demonstration we are looking at a scenario of an organization existing in E&P industry. So a company in the exploration and production industry. You have departments such as exploration, petroleum engineering, drilling, and so on and so forth. So if you come into your system, no matter your business structure, we can customize this menu to fit in your platform. That's not a problem at all. So I want to take this file that I've uploaded to a department such as exploration and surveys. I say save. Say uploaded is successful. So if I want to reference this file, I go to exploration, surveys. I will definitely see this file that I've uploaded. Of course the date alone will tell me that this file was actually uploaded today, as you can see from the date 20th of April 2012. Now there are so many ways you can reference file. This is one of the ways of referencing a file, by going to the department where the file is allocated. Now other ways you can reference the file is by going to the search, advanced search method. We have searching by file name, searching by the staff that uploaded the file, searching by the date the file was uploaded, and searching by the date range. Now let's take it gradually. If we go to this file, this first option, we'll type in the file name. We're looking for this file. Maybe I don't really know the full name of the file, but I can only know one name as contained in that file name. So what I do is to type in the file name. I know I have something like test full in that file name. So if I click full and say search, it brings up this file that contains the name full. As you can see from the file name, it's a full page fax print. It's a PDF document. That's one of the ways of searching for the file. Another way is by searching through the user that uploaded the file. We have so many users in this system. I logged in as an administrator, so if I want to search the files that I uploaded, I'll just click on this, say search, and it brings up the whole files that I have uploaded. Now one of the files I uploaded is this, which is today, full page fax print. You can see it. I uploaded it to exploration and surveys, and this is the date that I uploaded it. There's so many users in this system. You have Seller, you have Calio, and you have Daily. Now the other option is using the date of upload. Of course, we uploaded a file today, so if I go to the date calendar and I choose 20th of April today, I say search, it brings up the file that I've uploaded today. Now if I don't know the date, there's no problem. Of course, I know the date range. Within this period to this period, that's when I uploaded this file. So I'll just go to the date range, click my lower boundary. So maybe I'm choosing 1st of April, and my upper boundary I'm choosing 20th of April, and I say search. It brings up the whole file that I've uploaded within this period. Now that's one aspect, a very interesting aspect of the advanced search method. Now another thing we need to know under eArchive menu is management of files. Under management of files, we're looking at you sharing a file with another department. Peradventure, another department needs that particular file and is resident in a separate department. There's no alarm. There's no cause for alarm. What you just need to do is to go to that department where it's been resident and say share this document with that department that needs this file. So let's take, for instance, the file that we uploaded today under exploration, and we say surveys. We have the file here, full text page, and we want to share it with another department, say under FPSO reports. Under FPSO reports, and we say share. Information here says sharing is completed successfully. So if we go to that department, FPSO report, FPSO reports. Under FPSO we have FPSO reports, we see this file here. So that means that you have the flexibility, you can enjoy the robust nature of this application for you to be able to share documents. That's a very interesting aspect of this application. Now, so one may want to ask, what is the security level of this application? How secured are my documents? As a matter of fact, every operation that's been executed in the system is being monitored and is captured, so you cannot manipulate negatively on this system. What do I mean? Now if I go to activity history and I say file allocated history, under file allocated history I will see the files that have been allocated, where they were allocated to, who did the allocation, and of course the time that this allocation was done. So every activity on this system is being monitored. You cannot play around with it. You cannot negatively manipulate it. Now that's for allocation of files. We also have it for download history. Of course, if a user tries to delete a document in this system, his operation is being monitored as far as this application is concerned. If you download any file, that file you have downloaded is recorded in this system. So you can see the file that have been downloaded, the department they were downloaded from, who downloaded it, the time it was downloaded. Another thing we can see is the file sharing. You know, we just did a sharing this morning. So if I go to file sharing, I'll see the file name that was shared. For instance, we have this one today. We can see it's full page fax print. We'll see the department it was shared, the original department, where it was shared to, who did the sharing, and the date, time that the sharing was done. Now another thing we will also see here is file renaming details. File renaming details is, it is possible that a file that was uploaded has an original name, and in course of this application, in course of the usage of this application, there's every tendency that management want to decide that this name was not appropriate, let's give it a new name. Of course, when that changes is done, such activity is being monitored in this system. As we can see here, we have the new name, we have the old name, we have the location, we have the user that did this operation, and of course the time and date that this operation was conducted. Now another aspect we need to look at is management of roles. Every user on this system has a level of accessibility. The administrator has right to push any user from a lower level to a higher level, or from a higher level to a lower level, as the case may be. This is the environment that the administrator can do that perfectly well. Now another thing again that we need to see here is file security. Management may decide to make available files for users to have access to. Management can also decide to make certain files not to be viewed by any user. These are management decisions. So what management does, or what the administrator will do, is to go to that particular file, select that file, and say secure the file. You can secure the file, or you can unsecure the file, as the case may be. Now if this file is being shared by another department, of course you have the option of, say, shared not affected and share affected. So this application is very much robust and is user friendly. In terms of its security, I must guarantee you that you are rest assured of the safety of your documents. Another aspect again we want to share to us is the file renaming aspect. Now I told us that we can rename a file. We can definitely rename a file. Let's go back to that file that we uploaded today. We have it under exploration and surveys. We have it as this full name. This is the name of the file, and we want to rename it. You have the option of renaming this file only by the department, in that department that this file is existing, or by any other department that is sharing this file. You have this option, say rename only the selected department, or renaming all departments that is sharing this file. So we want to give it a new name. Let's say we want to call it just only test print, and we say let it affect all sharing this name, and we say done. Say it's completed. So if we go to that department that is sharing this file, we all know it under FPSO and report, FPSO report. If we go there, we'll definitely see this file being renamed. Let's go there now. Reference file, FPSO report. That's it. The name has been changed. So there's so many things you can enjoy using this application. Safety, security is completely assured. In terms of monitoring the data, you are very much rest assured. At this point in time, I want to say that Jomik Petrotech Ltd appreciates your attention and looks forward to partnering with you on this innovative tool. Thank you very much.